Alright guys, here's a part of the haunt. This is what we're doing. We're making a chainsaw facade. And the reason I got the metal bars on here is because we're going to make the chainsaw spark against these bars. So I've done welded up the biggest part of it. Now we're just going to tack the outsides just to make it a little bit more secure, because for some reason overdo things. But anyway, we're going to tack that up. I'll let you watch me do that. Now I will say guys, so what I have is I got 3/4 inch solid steel bar. I do not recommend that. I recommend a hollow bar, either 3/4 inch or an inch, whatever it is you want to put on your bar. Now I could have went to Home Depot and got it, which I almost did, but with the black pipe they have there, it is coated with a black coating. So with that, I would have to grind all that black coating off of there, and I was trying to save face on doing that. But part of the cost between this and going to Home Depot, I'm going to tell you now, this was a small fortune. Plus I got a lot of extra left over, which I will use that somewhere. I'm sure we'll build something somewhere. But this is like 2 days before opening. I don't know when I'm going to get this video out, because you know how it is. When you're doing a haunt, you focus on all that and you just run out of time. But anyway, this is what we're doing. I'm going to tack the outsides of these bars just a little bit, nothing major. We'll go from there. So I'm going to let you watch me throw some sparks. All right, so there's that. Done. Woo! All right guys, there's our gel cell that we've made. I was gonna make it 12 feet, but I think 8 foot is plenty. So sometimes you gotta build it before you think about it. It's just so big, so I think 8 foot is plenty. So, but there you go, there's the gel cell.